those are like the full size, or sort of like a mid-size SUV utility vehicle. This is also by Mercedes-Benz AMG. $37.9 miles to the gallon. That ain't pretty bad. That's pretty good though. As you can see, she has the red trimming. Oh, she even has the side pipes on the side. That's unique and unusual. Red trimming wheels.